Okay, I'm back. So we have here rhythmic activity or rhythmic and reading activity. Um, I will just upload this in our page and then you are going to download. So you can print this one and then you have to read the notes. So I have your example. I don't know if you can see it. I have your example for RRA 7, meaning RRA 7, meaning rhythmic activity or rhythmic reading activity number 7. So we have here, write the notes. So there are at least 1, 2, or 3 notes sometimes. You are going to write it vertically, meaning ang sa dalom nga note, then ang sa babaw man mo isulat. And then separated by slash or a bar line. Okay, and the note, ginamo ko na para ma-practice na mo anay, daan. Okay, next is, you are going to clap this one. Okay, so, example, I will give you this one. I will give RRA 7 as an example. Number 1. Okay, we have whole note, 4 quarter notes, and then half note, half note, half note. We have quarter note, and then second to the last measure we have quarter note, then half note, and then we have whole note. So I will give you this as an example. Ready? Let's have a constant beat at the beginning, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Just make it slowly. Hindi kinahanglan magdasig. Importante ma-master natin ang counting. Let's start with RRA 7. Ready? 3, 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The rest will be your activity. So you have your RA 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I will be giving you 2 days to prepare, practice, make a video, and send it to me. So 2 days lang. 2 days lang. So kung matapos ninyo today, you can submit it. So, deadline is Saturday. Saturday ba? Yes, Saturday. Saturday. So, i-separate ninyo ang reading notes and then, ang reading notes sa papel lang na. Of course, be sure to write your name, course, and year sa inyong paper. And then, when you send the video, always introduce yourself. Ha? Para at least hindi ko maayawan kung sino ng imong ngalan. Kay inyohang mga ngalan sa Facebook kay kuan, lain-lain. Tapos kay eskwela pa sa Harvard University. Okay? So thank you and see you in our next activity. Thank you for watching.